In this video, we will be talking about one of the content areas from the New South Wales Mathematics syllabus, which is chance. The Stage 3 content outcome aims for students to recognise that probabilities range from 0 to 1, and order commonly used chance words on an interval from 0, impossible, to 1, certain. So what is chance, and what do students need to know? Chance, also known as probability, is an assigned value given to a likelihood of a particular outcome occurring in a random situation. Initially, students need to understand probability value in order to apply this knowledge to the number line. The term probability values are used to describe the continuum of probabilities for outcomes in an activity or an experiment. This would be used in the context of using probability terms to describe the limits of this continuum from impossible, 0, to certain, 1, and terms that are in between. They are commonly represented on a number line through decimal fractions for students to develop a deeper understanding. These probability values can also be represented as a common fraction or percentages. For example, a likely event can have its probability estimated at 0.8, 4/5, or 80%. Other examples are displayed. It is important for teachers to know sorts of common misconceptions around this topic and avoid them when teaching. One misconception is that students place the term equally likely at 0.5 on the number line, as found in the syllabus. However, it is important to remember that the term equally likely is not necessarily used only when referring to 0.5, but also for different values that represent the same chance. For example, the chance of rolling either a 3 or 4 on a fair die is equally likely. But this does not mean that the chance of rolling either a 3 or 4 is 50 out of 50. In fact, it is 1 out of 6. So the solution to avoid this misconception is choosing a different term to refer to 50% chance, such as the term even chance.
The second misconception we'll be talking about is experimental probability. Let's say we have a bag containing 1 red ball and 4 blue balls. The blue ball would have a higher chance of being drawn, but there is a chance that the red ball could be chosen. However, if by chance they got these results, they may mistakenly believe that red is more likely because they drew it 3 out of 5 times. We should use discrepancies to highlight the nature of randomness and identify that results might be peculiar to the particular experiment, requiring further repetition of the experiment to get accurate results.
In conclusion, as well as knowing the content of the topic well, it is important to be aware of common misconceptions so that we can teach students to avoid it.